Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am back with another video of Standard 2 subject English, chapter Language Study. In previous chapter, we have learned in language study about nouns as well as its kinds. Today, we are going to learn in language study about describing words. So what are describing words? Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called describing words. Words for numbers, color, size and shape are also describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called describing words. Words for numbers, color, size, shape are also describing words. For example, smart boy, green parrot, big palace, round ball, one hen and two chicks. So, we see that words used to describe quality, color, size, shape, number are called adjectives. So, that words used to describe quality, color, size, shape, number are called adjectives. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, or sounds like. We'll see few more examples here. What do you see here? Here it's a mango. So we'll describe about the mango. A mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. Tell me in this, which are the describing words? Yellow and sweet. We are describing about the mango. A mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. Here, yellow and sweet are the describing words. The word yellow describes the color, whereas the word sweet describes the taste of the mango. Yellow describes the color, whereas the word sweet describes the taste of the mango. We'll see one more example here. So what do you see here? It's a rose. Now we'll describe about the rose. A rose is red. It is very beautiful. Here we are describing about the rose. A rose is red. It is very beautiful. So in this, tell me which are the describing words? Red, beautiful. The word red describes the color, whereas the word beautiful describes the look of the rose. Is it? A rose is red. It is very beautiful. Here, the word red and beautiful are the describing words. So, how they describe the word red? Red describes the color, whereas the word beautiful describes the look of the rose. Let's see one more example here. What do you see here? It's a dog. Now we'll describe about the dog. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. We are describing about the dog. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. In this, the words clever and loyal are the describing words. The word clever and the loyal describes the quality of the dog. The words clever as well as loyal describes the quality of the dog. We are describing how is a dog. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. Clever and loyal describes the quality of the dog. We'll see next one. So what do you see here? Here are some pencils. It's one pencil of many pencils. There are many pencils. Now we'll describe about the pencils. These are four pencils. Can you count the pencils? There are four pencils. These are four pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. Is it? We are using sharp pencils to write. Here we describe about pencils. These are four pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. In this, word four and sharp are the describing words. Word four describes the quantity. Yes or no? There are four pencils. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4. The word four describes the quantity, whereas the word sharp describes the quality of the pencils. How the pencils are? There are sharp pencils. How many pencils are there? Four pencils. Four and sharp are the describing words. The word four describes the quantity, whereas the word sharp describes the quality of the pencils. Here it's one more picture. What do you see here? It's a pillow. Is it? We have to describe about the pillow. So which shape it is? It is square shape. Yes or no? All the four sides are equal. It's a square shape. When you will touch the pillow, how you feel? It's soft. You feel very soft. It's soft pillow. In this, which is a describing word? The word soft. Soft describes the feel of the pillow. You can describe about the pillow like it is yellow in color, it is square in shape, and when you will touch the pillow, you feel very soft. The word soft describes the feel of the pillow. Here, one more picture. What do you see here? It's a perfume bottle. When you spray the perfume on your body, it smells fresh. You feel very fresh. It smells fresh fragrance. Fresh fragrance. In this, the word fresh describes about the perfume. That means the word fresh is a describing word. The word fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. Here one more picture. What do you see here? Here is one girl. She is listening a music. By her expression, we feel that it's very loud sound. It's a loud music. So in this, the word loud is a describing word. The word loud describes the sound of the music. Let's recap once again what are describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing are called describing words. Words for numbers, colors, size, and shape are also called adjectives. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, or sounds like. Let's do few more activities to understand the topic better. Here it's given one activity. Using the given pictures, write the correct describing words. So with the help of the picture, we have to write the correct describing word. Let's see. Yes, here is one picture given. Which picture you can see here? It's a ball. How it looks? It looks round. Yes, this is a round ball. The word round describes what? The size, shape. Yes or no? The round describes shape of a ball. How it is? It is round. This is a round ball. We'll see the next one. What do you see here? It's an apple. How it looks? Which color it is? It is red in color. An apple is red in color. The word red describes the color of an apple. Is it? The word red describes the color of an apple. Now we'll see the next one. What do you see here? Here is a man. He is young or old? How he looks? He looks like old. Yes, he is an old man. Is it? The word old describes the quality of that man. He is an old man. We'll see the next one. What do you see here? It's a parrot. How it is? It's green in color. Is it? This is a green parrot. The word green describes about the color of a parrot. Yes or no? The word green describes the color of a parrot. This is a green parrot. We'll see the next one. What do you see here? Here banana or bananas you see here? Yes, we see here bananas. Many bananas are there. Shall we count the bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 bananas. The word 8 describes the quantity of bananas. Yes or no? The quantity of bananas. The word round describes about the shape of the ball. The word red describes the color of an apple. The word old describes about the quality of that man. The word green describes the color of a parrot. The word 8 describes the quantity of that bananas. Is it? All of you understood? Shall we move the next activity? Yes. Here is given one more activity. Fill in the blanks with correct describing word. So here they are given some blanks. We have to fill it with correct describing word. So what is given here? Green vegetables and fruits are dash for health. So, green vegetables and fruits are dash for health. So, which one will suit the correct describing word in this? It's bad for health or good for health? It's good for health. Yes or no? The word good describes what? Quality. Yes or no? Green vegetables. If we eat the green vegetables and fruits, it's good for our health. The word good describes about the quality of that vegetables and fruits. We'll see the next one. There are dash stars in the sky. There are dash stars in the sky. When you look up at the sky, can you count the stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are many stars. We cannot count the 1, 2, 3, 4. There are many stars. So here the word many describes about the quantity of the stars. There are many stars in the sky. We'll see the next one. Ants are very dash. The ants are small or big. How they are? They are very small. The word small describes about the quality of that ants. Ants are very small. We'll see the next one. I have a dash pen. I have a dash pen. It's a red pen or it's a blue pen, any color pen, but I have a blue pen. So what the word blue describes? The word blue describes the color of a pen. Is it? Understood everyone? Here the word good describes about the quality of that vegetables and fruits. The second one, the word many describes the quantity of the stars in the sky. The third one, small. The word small describes the quality of the ants, whereas the word blue describes the color of a pen. Understood everyone? Describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called describing words. Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also called as adjectives. Whereas here the word good describes about the quality. Many describes about the quantity. Small describes about the quality. Blue describes about the color. So hope you all understood about the describing words. Now here one more it is given. What they are given? These are dash bananas. So how many bananas? 8 bananas. You can write any number, but these are 8 bananas. The word 8. What it shows, what it describes, the word 8. It describes about the quantity, about the number. Yes or no? These are 8 bananas. Green vegetables and fruits are good for health. There are many stars in the sky. Ants are very small. I have a blue pen. These are 8 bananas. The words good, many, small, blue, 8 describes someone or something, looks, size, colors, numbers, shapes, smells, are sounds like that are called the describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing are called describing words. So, hope you all understood about the describing words. Thank you.